Morning, fifth graders. Welcome to Tuesday, April 28th. Again, losing track of the days, guys. It is Tuesday. I know that it's Tuesday. Really short message today. Just want to make sure that you are understanding that we are having two Zoom meetings today, and I really hope that you do check those out. I do have a little bit more information about what to expect for science tomorrow. Guys, today's science lesson is very straightforward. There's a video to watch about the periodic table, a few questions to answer about the periodic table. Very straightforward, easy stuff. Make sure you get in and do it. There will be some points awarded for that, so please realize that is going into the grade book. Math, I did kind of misspeak yesterday. I didn't get a chance to really look through. I've been creating so many lessons over the last couple of weeks, guys, that they're all kind of blending together. Today, for my on-level math class, for my students that I have in the morning, you guys have a quick quiz today. And that's the only thing, aside from the brain game, that is due for math today, the only thing in the math folder. So there's no video to watch, there's no anything, but there is a practice quick quiz on Think Central. And a lot of you were in there to practice that already. So thank you. About almost half the class has done that practice quick quiz already. Gives you an idea of what to expect on the actual quick quiz on Schoology. So please get in there and do that. My accelerated math class, my afternoon group, you guys just have a regular lesson today. Very straightforward. So nothing too different there. Make sure, guys, you're not just going in and doing the brain game. Brain game obviously is important. I want to hold you accountable for attendance. Literally, that brain game should take you 5 minutes or less, guys. And the lesson, watching of the videos, the completing of those assignments, that's where the meat of your math instruction is going to come from. So hopefully you are taking a little bit more time on that and you're watching the video and then doing the problems. So please take advantage of that. I really look forward to seeing everybody at the Zooms today. Like I said, some very important information about science, starting more so tomorrow than today. But I do want to talk to you today because we probably won't do a Zoom meeting tomorrow. So please try to make it to the Zoom so I can explain what's going to happen for science moving forward after today. One thing I do want to point out here as well, and I'll try to drop this in the reminder note that I put in this morning, guys, and that is I'm checking my kids' Schoology page, and I noticed that their messages, they've got like 20 some messages up on top, and that's the little envelope up on top of your Schoology page, your home page. If you look up there, you see a little envelope and there's a little number by it. Those are messages from teachers, from other students, from whatever. That's where I put a lot of my Zoom links, those kinds of things. Please go in as soon as you see something. That should probably be the first place you click because it's either a message from me or it's probably something relatively important. But more importantly, the quicker you get those cleared out, the more likely you are to see updates and new messages, that get set up. So please take advantage of that because that's my number one way to communicate with you guys. So if there's 20 of them there's a really good chance you're missing some of the messages that I'm sending out. And I just don't want that to happen. I want to make sure that you are able to see when I send you a new message. The other drawback we're seeing with Schoology, guys, is that that they don't pop up right away. You might have to keep refreshing your page. So if you came out of a lesson or you were doing something, maybe clicking refresh, that little circle arrow that refreshes the page. Sometimes that pops up then with a new message that got sent. So just be another trick, another thing to be looking for, another way for us to remind you what's going on. I think I only had about 5 or 6 people per class yesterday get on a Prodigy and answer questions. So don't forget to do that as part of your weekly assignment. There should be Think Central things listed for both people, both groups up there today. So hopefully you're taking advantage of that. All right, that's it for my message this morning, guys. Please try to make the Zoom meetings at either 10:30 or 1:30. You don't need to make both, but the links are in your Schoology messages. So please find those, and I'll see you later.